TSA has become part of U.S. Air, you'll still get all that fine West Coast service, but with all the nationwide advantages of a major airline. TSA is U.S. Air. So now you have even more to smile about.
If you could fly with me, that would be very fine. If you would dream with me of places overseas, will it be you and me? It would be fine.
Sólin. Hún ekki eitthvað ámyndin?
Ég heiti Helgi Björns og mér finnst rigningin góð.
Rigningin ekkert góð. Skelltu þér út í sólina í sumar. Bókaðu núna á flyplay.is.